Understanding the phrase, to go to waste. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, to go to waste. This phrase is used frequently in various contexts, and understanding its meaning and usage can really help in everyday English conversations. Let's dive in. The phrase, to go to waste, means to not be used effectively or to not be used for its intended purpose. This phrase often implies a sense of loss or missed opportunity. For example, when food is thrown away instead of being eaten, it is said to go to waste. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used in everyday language. 1. Food. If you don't eat these vegetables, they will go to waste. 2. Talent or skills. It's sad to see her artistic talent go to waste because she doesn't pursue it. 3. Opportunities. Don't let this chance go to waste. It's a great opportunity. When using the phrase, to go to waste, it's important not to confuse it with similar phrases that have different meanings. For instance, waste away refers to gradually becoming thinner and weaker, which is not the same as something going to waste. Try creating sentences using to go to waste in different contexts. This exercise will help you understand and remember the usage of the phrase. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, to go to waste, correctly in English. Remember, learning a language is all about practice and exposure. Don't let your learning opportunities go to waste. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.